Doctors, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. This is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome Solid in Admission Map. Today we're going to discuss about the NEET PG23 counseling latest update. What's the status of it? What's the latest progress on this matter? And second thing we're going to discuss about the NRI documents process, that if you're looking for a NRI seats into NEET PG23, then what are the minimum documents required for it? How you can process the document? How you can make a document for yourself? As well as we're going to discuss about the seats positioning under the sponsored or foreign national quota into the for the admission of PG courses into INI-CET जुलाई सेशन. यस, जुलाई सेशन के अंदर कितनी फॉरेन के स्पॉन्सर्ड कोटा है, फॉरेन मेडिकल कोटा है, इन तमाम चीज़ों के बारे में इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगा. उससे पहले मैं बता दूं, इफ़ यू न्यू ऑन दिस चैनल एंड इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल as well as telegram channel Admission Media, then do join it, because whatever the latest update regarding your INI as well as NEET PG23 session will be keep posted there. As we have already mentioned, there will be multiple of the new rules coming for this session. Yes, for NEET PG23 counseling I'm talking about, there are some new rules are ongoing. Very soon we will be publishing a video on that, what exactly new changes are expected to be made in a process that no seat will be wasted in a NEET PG23 session, because earlier I have already posted a video in which multiple of the states are coming forward and they are asking for the major changes about the NEET as well as the seat part. That Bihar have already submitted a video that what they are demanding, how the things will be going on, because no state is in no state college or the private college or the government college are ready to lose their seat or waste their seat. For that, there will be a major changes will be coming into this in this NEET PG session. Before that, let's talk about the seat matrix of the INI-CET July session. If I talk about the anesthesiology in AIIMS Delhi, there are 3 seats under the sponsored as well as foreign quota. For we'll look into the main branches. Otherwise, the complete detail is already available on our Telegram channel Admission Media. You can download the seat matrix right there. If I talk about the option gynae in AIIMS Delhi, there is 1 seat. Orthopedic 3 seat. Then PDI is 2 seat in AIIMS Delhi. I'm talking about physiology, surgery. Physiology is 3, surgery is 3. Transfusion medicine is 1 seat, and orthopedic is again 1 seat in Rishikesh. Radio diagnosis 2 seats in AIIMS Rishikesh, and anesthesia 1 seat in Raipur. General medicine 1 seat in AIIMS Raipur. These are under sponsored quota. PDI is again 1 seat in AIIMS Raipur. Complete list is already available on the Telegram channel, so not gonna waste your time, because the list is already there. You can download it from there. Now, if I talk about what will be the minimum documents required if you are applying under the NRI quota or the NRI seats conversion for your All India. See, you have to make a document for a sponsored as well as your document. In this 2 or 3 rules are given by the Supreme Court, which we have already mentioned, or the complete PDF is again available on our Telegram channel Admission Media. You can download it. And if you're looking for a format how to process it, see, if someone is sponsoring a seat, he has to be first degree or second degree of your parental or parental side relation. For making an NRI document, the person has to visit his Indian embassy in the country where he is staying for more than 10 years. He should has a label as well as the permanent visa of that particular country, then only he can sponsor your seat. For that, he has to visit his Indian embassy and make a document stating that he wants to sponsor a seat to you, and after making a document, you will require that particular document. What's the format of document, you can ask me. I have already shared it on Telegram channel, as well as if you connecting with me on Telegram or WhatsApp, we can share. We will be more than happy to assist you in that. There are minimal charges for that, and we will be helping you out. As well as you will be required to have your passport. Yes, passport of candidate is required, plus the sponsor document. The person who is sponsoring you a seat, his or her bank statement, account bank statement for at least recent 6 months will be required to apply under the DGMA. Once this counseling will begin, before that, there will be a portal open, as well as there will be an email ID provided to you. That notice will be coming on MCC website. On that website, on that mail ID, you have to mail your document, your passport, that complete should be in one PDF. We have already shared the detail that how to make it. You have to share that detail to the MCC, DGME. If they verify your document, if they found those documents correct, again there will be a relationship certificate required in this purpose. That relationship certificate can you avail from your Tahsildar or any place like that. I mean, your district hospital, district office can help you in that. You can make a relationship document from there, and after completing mailing the document to the DGME, they will verify, and then there will be NRI lists published to the website of MCC. If I talk about the NRI document process, this will be your complete process. There are multiple of the sponsored document which can be made for you also. If you're looking for those documents, how to proceed for that, how to make those documents, you can contact us on our given WhatsApp number. As well as if you're looking for an NRI document, then your documents should be very clear. If any fake document will be, if any fake document or if any fake thing found in that, you will be debarred from counseling as well. As well as I will like to tell you that if you making an NRI document, your fees should be paid into the dollar. And if you're looking for the NRI to rupees conversion, in some universities or some colleges it is possible, while other hand it is not possible. And in this session there are one new more rule will be coming for this. Yes, you heard me correct. There will be one new rule for this, that how to convert the NRI seat into the management and take the fees as per that. These all details will be provided by our team Admission Media. If you're looking for a seat under the management or NRI quota in the higher clinical branches, then how to process is, how to make it. For all those details, you can contact me on the given number below. As well as we have already posted 2 videos in which we have talked about if your rank is from 2000 to 15,000, then what are the possible chances for you, which all the branches you can get under the government quota, low budget private. And the other video we have discussed about the if your rank is 15,000 to 30,000, then what are the possibilities for you, which are branches you can do, and what can be your lower budget fees and the lower medical colleges you can target. In the next video, we will be updating many other updates. So for those things, stay tuned to one, as well as do subscribe to our YouTube as well as Telegram, and do follow on our Instagram, because very soon we will be providing you details of the colleges, their patient, their bed capacity, their patient load, their stipend, what they are providing you, how's the college, how's the infrastructure, and particular which college is famous for which branch. These all details will be available on our Instagram channel. So do subscribe to Admission Media. Thank you so much for watching this video.